Professor Ed Marram is one of the leading entrepreneurial educators in the world. He is an entrepreneurial practitioner with considerable success in entrepreneurial practice behind him. He's a dedicated advocate for the growing of firms and for growth firms.
The link between Babson College, which is the #1 entrepreneurial college in the world, and University of Ulster is because Ulster, they want to grow. They want to grow entrepreneurs, they want to grow the school, and that's what we're interested at Babson College. And I've been coming here myself for the last 10 years, trying to help just participate with the groups here. They made a huge progress in this whole thing. They get programs set up, they're moving along. I think they'll be a major asset for the growth in Northern Ireland.
The benefits of building strategic collaborative links with Babson College is that we at the Ulster Business School can in increasing ways imitate that culture, that commitment, that determination, so that we might in turn become the agents for entrepreneurial change within Northern Ireland.